Multi-step percent application. Here's your mini lesson. Now, multi-step percent application. When solving real-life word percent questions, you can just ask yourself the following questions to better understand what is happening and how you should go about solving the problem. First of all, after reading, you have to know what information are you given, what numbers. You can circle it and then or put a box. And then after that, you can underline what are you solving for. If you follow the cubes method, put a line. I'm solving for the age. I'm solving for the amount saved, something like that. And at the end, does your solution make sense in the context of the problem? Now, let's discuss the following terms, and we will label the shopping bags whether there is an increase or decrease of the original or of the base or of the whole. If you're asked to pay tax, will that be an increase of your original or a decrease? Increase, correct. If there's a sale price, people will go for a sale, right? For for a discount. So will the price increase or decrease? Correct, decrease. An amount is taken off. Off means taken away. So if it's taken away, so the amount you're paying will decrease. Okay, if you give a tip, that's an extra amount you pay for good service. Will your payment increase or decrease? Yes, increase. If you pay gratuity for good service done, it's similar to tip. Is that an increase or a decrease? Yes, another increase. And the last one, a markdown. The price of a coat was marked down. Down means it went smaller. The price got smaller. So therefore, is it an increase or decrease? Yes, it's a decrease. Now let's solve this word problem. Savannah works as a sales rep and receives 23.80 for every $100 40 she sells. Why is she receiving this money? Because it's called a commission, something that she gets because she's a good salesperson. What is her rate of commission? It is called a commission, right? So what do I know so far? After reading the problem, we know that the commission part is 2380 and the whole, it's based on where? This whole amount of 140. What do I need to know? The percent of commission, the one with the percent sign. And again, normally what do? We do our proportion chart. How does our proportion chart look like? Okay, percent over 100. Do we know the percent? That's the x over 100 is always equal to the part over whole. And which is the part? The part is the smaller amount that goes there, 2380. Okay? And then 140 will be the whole. Okay? And then you solve using, the pattern is not obvious, so do your cross multiply. What's your inequality look like? It's 2380 times 100, that's the cross multiply, and then divided by 140, your result will be 17% commission. Got it? Okay, next. Okay, next problem is the shoe department is offering a sale. Wow. You're not paying whole price. They're going to take off 15% on all shoes. Mrs. Jeffrey saved this amount. She wasn't able to pay that amount. We want to know how much were the shoes full price. What do I know? I know how much was saved, which is the part. That's a part which was saved. And the whole is, we don't know. That's what you're going to solve for. And what else do I need to know? That's 15%. Obviously, it has a percent sign. And what are we solving for? The full price. The full price. If we make our percent over 100 equals part whole, this is the percent over 100. This is the part. And what is missing? The whole is missing. And how do we solve for that? You can do your cross multiply. That's going to be 15x is equal to 100 times 12.3. 15x is equal to 1230. And then, how do I solve for the x? Divide by 15. Divide by 15. X is equal to this amount. Got it? Did you get the right answer? Check. Okay, so this is Anderson's Art Supply Store, and this is the price list. All the items are here. Let's start with problem 3. A customer is looking for items to get started painting. Mrs. Anderson offers her a paint palette, a paintbrush, and a sketchbook. She tells the customer that if she buys all the three, what? She will give her a 15% discount. Good. She's going to save money. Approximately how much will the customer save? How much is this money that she's going to save? Let's look at it. So a paintbrush is this one, 1050. Okay, there you go. A paint palette is over here. How much is that? 24. 24 goes there. And a sketchbook is 1612, 1612. Add them up. So this is the total of the items, but she's not going to pay all of that. Okay, so let's get the part which we want to know. So 15 over 100, that's the percent. 15 over 100, the part on top, the part is the missing, and the whole is 5065. We want to know how much will that be. Okay, do your cross multiplication. 100x times, and then multiply 100 times x, and then multiply 15 times 50.65. What will we get? Let's write it down. So the total here will be 100x, 100x. Okay, on this side, we're gonna add it, multiply them. You will get, let's write this down, 700. No, that's gonna be 50.65 times 15. That's gonna be 759.30. Okay, so that x will be alone. Divide by 100, divide by 100, and your answer will be $7.59. Okay, just round it, and so that it's gonna look like money. Next, the last customer of the day is a loyal customer who brings in a $15 coupon. Okay, it's a small paper that says it's a coupon. She purchases 2 paintbrushes, 1 dozen colored pencils, and 1 sketchbook. What percent? Oh, percent. You know, the percent sign is the one that's missing. So let's total first the amount that we will be buying. 2 paintbrushes, that's 1050 each. So times 2 will be 21. A dozen pencils. Where are the pencils? Okay, it's already 1 DZ. That means 1 dozen. It's 788. There you go, 788. What else? Um, 2 paintbrushes, we got that. And a sketchbook. There's the sketchbook. Just one of it. 1612. The total is 45. Okay, let's set up our proportion. So 15 and 45. This is the part, and this is the whole. Set up your proportion. X over 100, part over whole. Okay? Cross multiply and then divide. You're going to get 33.3%. Got it? Okay, so next. Now you're ready to do practice and homework. Just check out your packet. Good luck, Rampagers.